The Turkish armed forces have rapidly evolved into a modern, technology-driven military power with strong domestic defense production. Their arsenal combines indigenous systems, NATO equipment, and advanced unmanned warfare capabilities. So, let's begin. Infantry weapons, Turkish land forces. MPT-76, the standard 7.62 ASA 151mm assault rifle of the Turkish armed forces. It is designed for high reliability in harsh environments. The powerful caliber provides strong performance at medium and long ranges. It is widely used in combat operations and NATO missions. MPT-55, a lighter assault rifle chambered in 5.56 45mm NATO. It offers better control and reduced recoil during automatic fire. Ideal for urban combat and mobile infantry units. It is gradually replacing older service rifles. HK-33 licensed. A licensed version of the German HK-3 rifle. It was a long-time standard service weapon in Turkey. Known for its simple design and high rate of fire, it is now being phased out of active service. Canik TP9, a modern semi-automatic pistol produced in Turkey. Used by military and law enforcement units. Known for its ergonomics and accuracy, it has gained popularity in international markets. FN Minimi, licensed. A light machine gun produced under license. Provides high suppressive firepower at the squad level. Uses belt-fed ammunition and NATO standard rounds. Widely used in combat situations, MG3, a powerful general-purpose machine gun chambered in 7.62 31mm. It features an extremely high rate of fire, effective for suppressing enemy forces at long distances. Used both by infantry and mounted on vehicles. RPG-7. A widely used anti-tank rocket launcher of Soviet origin. Known for its simplicity and effectiveness. Capable of engaging armored vehicles and fortified positions. Still actively used in many combat zones. OMTAS. A modern medium-range anti-tank guided missile system. Equipped with an infrared guidance system. Capable of precise strikes against armored targets. Designed to counter modern tanks. KARAOK. A lightweight, portable, short-range anti-tank missile system. Designed for single-soldier operation, uses fire-and-forget technology, effective against tanks and fortified targets at close range. Next, armored vehicles and tanks. Altay, Turkey's next-generation main battle tank, equipped with advanced armor and fire control systems, designed to meet NATO standards, intended to replace older tank platforms. Leopard 2A4, a German-made main battle tank modernized by Turkey, armed with a powerful 120mm main gun. Well protected, but requires upgrades against modern threats. Actively used in military operations. M60T Sabra, a heavily upgraded version of the American M60 tank. Features improved armor and modern electronics. Enhanced survivability on the battlefield. Serves as a transitional platform before Altay. ACV-15, an infantry fighting vehicle developed in Turkey, designed to transport and support infantry units. Equipped with an autocannon and machine guns, widely used across the armed forces. Powers 8x8 and 6x6. A modern modular armored vehicle platform. Offers high mobility and amphibious capability. Can be configured for multiple mission roles. Used in reconnaissance and combat operations. Kirpi, MRAP. A mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicle. Features a V-shaped hull for blast protection. Provides high survivability for troops inside. Widely deployed in conflict zones. Firtina T-155, a 155mm self-propelled howitzer, offers long-range and high-precision fire support, capable of rapid deployment and repositioning, a key component of Turkish artillery forces. Next, artillery and rocket systems. T-122 Sakarya, a 122mm multiple launch rocket system, capable of delivering heavy saturation fire. Quickly deploys and relocates after firing. Used to support offensive operations, TRG-300 Kaplan, a long-range rocket artillery system, offers improved accuracy compared to traditional MLRS. Effective against fortified positions and enemy assets. Uses guided rocket munitions. Bora missile, a short-range ballistic missile system, designed for striking strategic targets. Features high accuracy and a powerful warhead. Serves as a key deterrence asset. Kasirga TR-300, a heavy multiple launch rocket system, capable of engaging targets at extended ranges. Delivers powerful and concentrated fire strikes. used to destroy fortified enemy positions. Next, AIR Force, Turkish Air Force, fighter jets, F-16C, D-Fighting Falcon, the backbone multi-role fighter of the Turkish Air Force, capable of air superiority, ground attack, and precision strike missions. Equipped with modern avionics and upgraded systems. Widely used in both national defense and NATO operations. F-4E Phantom II Terminator 2020. A heavily modernized strike aircraft based on an older platform. Upgraded with advanced avionics and targeting systems, primarily used for ground attack missions, gradually being phased out as newer systems emerge. Support and Special Aircraft, E-70 Peace Eagle, an airborne early warning and control, AWACS aircraft, provides long-range radar surveillance and command capabilities, enhances situational awareness across the battlefield, plays a critical role in coordinating air operations. KC-130 FAR, an aerial refueling tanker aircraft, extends the operational range of fighter jets, allows sustained air missions without landing, essential for long-distance deployments. A400 NMR Atlas, a modern strategic transport aircraft, capable of carrying heavy cargo and military equipment, operates from short and unprepared runways, supports both military and humanitarian missions. CN-235, a light tactical transport aircraft, used for cargo transport, surveillance, and patrol missions. Highly versatile and reliable in various roles, operates in both military and civilian support tasks. Helicopters, T-129 ATAK, an indigenous attack helicopter developed by Turkey, designed for close air support and anti-armor missions. Equipped with advanced targeting and weapon systems, highly effective in asymmetric warfare environments. AH-1W Super Cobra, a proven attack helicopter used for combat operations, armed with missiles, rockets, and cannons, provides close air support for ground forces, remains effective despite its age. S-70 Black Hawk, a versatile utility helicopter used for troop transport and logistics, capable of operating in various environments. Widely used in military and rescue missions, known for its reliability and flexibility. CH-47F Chinook, a heavy-lift transport helicopter, capable of carrying troops, vehicles, and heavy cargo. Features tandem rotor design for increased lift capacity, essential for large-scale logistics operations. UAVs, drones, key strength. Bayraktar TB2, a combat-proven unmanned aerial vehicle, widely used in multiple conflict zones, capable of surveillance and precision strikes, known for its cost-effectiveness and efficiency. Bayraktar Akinci, a high-altitude, long-endurance strike drone, carries a wide range of advanced weapon systems, features powerful sensors and radar capabilities, designed for strategic-level missions. Anka-S, a medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV, used for reconnaissance and strike missions, equipped with satellite communication systems, provides persistent intelligence and targeting capabilities. Kizilelma, a next-generation jet-powered unmanned fighter aircraft, designed for high-speed and stealth operations, capable of operating from aircraft carriers like TCG Anadolu. Still under development, but highly prospective. Next, Navy, Turkish Naval Forces, amphibious assault ships and carriers, TCG Anadolu, a light aircraft carrier and amphibious assault ship, designed to operate drones and helicopters, supports amphibious and expeditionary missions, enhances Turkey's power projection capabilities. Frigates and corvettes, Barbaros-class, modern frigates based on German MECO design, equipped with advanced weapons and radar systems, capable of anti-air and anti-submarine warfare, actively used in naval operations. Gabya-class, upgraded frigates based on Oliver Hazard Perry-class, modernized with improved combat systems, provides air defense and escort capabilities, remains an important part of the fleet. ATAK-class MIL-GEM, indigenous stealth corvettes developed under the MIL-GEM program, designed for anti-submarine and patrol missions, features low radar visibility, represents Turkey's growing naval industry. Istanbul-class, next-generation frigates based on MIL-GEM design, equipped with advanced sensors and missile systems, offers enhanced multi-role capabilities, designed for future naval warfare needs. Patrol and fast attack craft. Kilic-class, fast attack missile boats, designed for high-speed naval engagements, armed with anti-ship missiles. Effective in coastal defense operations. Submarines. Type 209. Diesel-electric submarines widely used by Turkey, known for their stealth and reliability, capable of anti-ship and reconnaissance missions, form the backbone of the submarine fleet. Reis-class, Type 214. Modern submarines equipped with air-independent propulsion, AIP, allows longer underwater endurance, features advanced stealth and combat systems, represents the future of Turkey's submarine force. Next, missile and air defense systems. Air defense, HISAR-A and HISAR-O. Short and medium-range surface-to-air missile systems developed by Turkey, designed to protect troops and critical infrastructure from aerial threats, capable of engaging aircraft, helicopters, and drones, represent a key step toward an independent air defense network. S-400, a long-range air defense system acquired from Russia, capable of detecting and engaging multiple targets at extended distances, provides high-level protection against aircraft and ballistic threats. Its deployment significantly increased Turkey's air defense capabilities. Korkut, a self-propelled anti-aircraft gun system designed to counter low-altitude threats such as drones and helicopters, equipped with radar and automatic targeting systems, provides mobile air defense for mechanized units. Cruise and anti-ship missiles. ATAK, an indigenous anti-ship cruise missile developed by Turkey, designed to replace older foreign systems. Features advanced guidance and sea-skimming capability, highly effective against modern naval targets. SOM, an air-launched cruise missile developed for precision strikes, capable of engaging high-value targets at long range. Uses advanced navigation and targeting systems. Integrated with Turkish fighter aircraft, strategic and advanced systems. Göktürk satellites, a series of reconnaissance satellites operated by Turkey, provide high-resolution imagery and intelligence data, support military planning and surveillance missions, enhance independent space-based capabilities. Early warning radar systems, a nationwide network of advanced radar installations, provides early detection of incoming threats, supports air defense and situational awareness, integrated with NATO defense infrastructure. TFX, KAAN, a next-generation, fifth-generation fighter program designed to replace aging fighter aircraft, expected to feature stealth, advanced avionics, and network-centric warfare capabilities. Still under development, but a top strategic priority. Next, Cyber and Space Warfare, Cyber Defense Command, TSK, responsible for protecting military digital infrastructure, conducts cyber defense and potential offensive operations, ensures security of communication and data systems, plays an increasing role in modern warfare. Turkish Space Agency manages national space programs and strategic initiatives, supports satellite development and space research, enhances Turkey's presence in space technologies, works closely with defense and intelligence sectors. Coral EW system, an advanced electronic warfare system designed to jam and disrupt enemy radar and communications, provides a strong advantage in electronic battle space, widely used in modern military operations. Turkey continues to expand its military strength through innovation in drones, missiles, and national defense programs. With ongoing projects like KAAN and advanced missile systems, its strategic power is expected to grow even further in the future.